In this video, I am going to show you how to list products from CJDropshipping to your Shopify store. 1. Find products on CJ. Begin by browsing through the extensive range of products available on the CJ platform. You can explore trending products or search by keyword to find items that resonate with your target audience. 2. Once you've found the product you'd like to list, click on the List button. This action will initiate the process of importing the product to your Shopify store. You have the option to either list it now or add the product to My Products and list it to the other store later. Just enter your store name in the vendor section. Ensure to select appropriate shipping method and destination country for estimating shipping costs. Next, after listing the product, check its status in the Store's Product and Listing Records section on the CJ platform. Once the pop-up confirms successful listing, you can click View it in Store to verify its appearance on your Shopify store. In some instances, the listing process may encounter issues, so be patient for them. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.